Donco Dual Energy Saving Central Air Conditioner. In response to the high temperature and dust problems in many enterprises' workshops, the working environment is not comfortable, and the cost of electricity is rising. Donco Technology has launched a dual-effect energy-saving and dust-proof central air conditioning system to better solve the pain points encountered in printing workshops and high-temperature dust workshops. The integrated air duct of Donco Air Conditioning can supply air up to 100 meters in length. The air supply volume is 20,000 cubic meters. It can cover all the space of the factory, greatly improving the problem of limited cooling distance and uneven workshop temperature in traditional air conditioning. Donco Air Conditioning can be fixed according to the needs. Installing independent air vents for air conditioning can make the working environment more comfortable. Install independent air vents at designated locations on the machine, avoiding machine problems caused by high temperatures, making operation more efficient and consuming less electricity. Compared to traditional air conditioners, it is not convenient to install them at designated locations. Donco Air Conditioning fixed point does not waste space at all, more space saving, achieving the same cooling effect. Traditional air conditioners require multiple units and consume a huge amount of electricity. Donco Air Conditioning achieves equivalent cooling, low power consumption. Donco Air Conditioning's exclusive evaporative condenser efficiently reduces temperature. The operating power of the compressor is small, so it consumes less electricity. Donco Air Conditioning has passed national testing. Refrigeration coefficient of performance here can reach 5.15. Achieve equivalent cooling capacity. The traditional air conditioner consumes 46 kilowatts of electricity. Donco Air Conditioning consumes only 23 kilowatts of electricity. Energy saving up to 50% to 60%. Many workshops have dust problems that affect the working environment and product production. Traditional air conditioners can reduce cooling efficiency due to dust blockage. Donco Air Conditioning system has 3 layers of filtration, which can solve the dust problem in the workshop. Efficient removal of dust and workshop odors through water curtain filtration. The dust in the air will adsorb onto the water film after passing through the honeycomb, being taken to the sink below for sedimentation. In the next decade, high-temperature weather will become more frequent. If there is a high-temperature problem in your factory's workshop, choose Donco to maintain a constant temperature in the workshop, making the machine operate more efficiently and healthily, with a longer life. A more comfortable working environment makes teamwork more efficient. If your company's workshop has been plagued by dust and odor, choose Donco to make the breathing in the workshop healthier and more comfortable. If you care about the cost of electricity for enterprises, choose Donco. Reduce electricity costs by 50% and increase net profit by 10%. Donco Dual Effect Energy Saving